Dr. Delnaz is an intern from JJ
JJ.
Hospital, sorry. And would you mind introducing yourself because I have not met you?
Delnaz Rustam Palsetia, an intern from JJ Hospital.
Your interests?
My interest reading books.
Good, that helps. Yeah. In a child on treatment for enteric fever, increase in eosinophils suggests recovery. True or false?
False.
Incorrect. What is the oral chemoprophylactic drug to be taken by the doctor who is treating a case of meningococcal infection?
Rifampicin.
Correct. A G6PD deficient child got P. vivax malaria repeatedly. Primaquine should be given once a day or once a week.
It
as
should
per
not be
WHO.
given.
Incorrect. In a child hospitalized for leptospirosis who is 5 years old, other than penicillin and ampicillin, which drug is commonly used?
Cephalosporin.
Specific?
Ceftriaxone.
Correct. Left-sided Bell's palsy in a 5-year-old child is to be notified as acute flaccid paralysis to municipal corporation.
Yes.
What is sent to municipal corporation to detect polio?
Stool samples.
Correct. Other than Kawasaki disease, which infective condition may cause multiple nails to fall off after a period of time in a child?
Tinea infection.
Incorrect. Name the oral drug used for treatment of head lice as a single dose in an 8-year-old child.
Permethrin.
Incorrect. Oral drug, I said. 400 milligram of albendazole has been given in a 4-year-old child with pinworms today. When is the next dose recommended?
7 days later.
Incorrect. A child with cervical lymph node tuberculosis on first line of anticox therapy develops jaundice and raised liver enzymes. How many drugs will you stop?
Isoniazid, rifampicin, and pyrazinamide. 3.
Incorrect. 10-year-old girl comes with fever for 10 days, white patch on the tonsil, and hepatomegaly. Name the confirmatory lab test, also known as the kissing disease.
Confirmatory lab test is Paul Bunnell test.
Incorrect. Name the most common extrasalivatory complication of mumps in prepubertal children.
Aseptic meningitis.
Correct. Name the test that has been banned by WHO for diagnosis of tuberculosis.
Antibody test.
That is correct. Tetracycline, doxycycline should not be used below what age?
8 years.
Correct. How many cases of neonatal tetanus have been reported in last 1 month in Mumbai?
None.
Very good. Correct. Name a serious complication common to intranasal furunculosis and ethmoid sinusitis which can cause proptosis.
Pass.
This is the first pass. This is the first pass? Okay, fine. So your time's up and 7 correct. So in a child with enteric fever, appearance of eosinophils does mean recovery. A G6PD deficiency child, as per WHO guideline, if repeated infections, can be given primaquine once a week in a high dose. Other than Kawasaki, hand, foot, mouth disease will give rise to multiple nails falling off maybe a few weeks later after the infection. Ivermectin is the oral drug that you can use as a single dose treatment for treatment of head lice. And albendazole, as per Nelson, at least is 400 milligrams today and then after 2 weeks, not 1 week. A child with cervical TB, I have specifically mentioned cervical TB, that means non-serious TB, all 4 drugs should be stopped. If it's a serious TB, then her answer stands that you stop 3 drugs, add 1 more drug and continue. And I asked for confirmatory test for kissing disease, that is infectious mononucleosis, and there Paul Bunnell would not come. IgM, VCA, EBV or PCR EBV would be there. Shall we have the counter? In a patient with psoriatic arthritis, what usually presents first, psoriasis or arthritis?
Psoriasis.
Correct. Chickenpox and herpes zoster are caused by the same virus. Which of the two is more likely to recur in the same patient?
Herpes.
Correct. Which of the two is a greater risk for DVT, pregnancy or oral contraceptive pills for 9 months duration?
OC pills for 9 months.
Incorrect. Mammography in a young female should be ideally performed in which half of menstrual cycle, first half or second half?
First half.
Correct. After category 3 dog bite, anti-rabies immunoglobulins may be given up to how many days to be effective? 7, 14 or 21?
7.
Immunoglobulins. Correct. In the term seronegative arthritis, the word seronegative refers to absence of which serology?
HLA-B27.
Incorrect. Which of the two are more likely to cause pain? A staghorn calculi or small kidney stones? No prompting, please.
Staghorn calculus.
Incorrect. In cirrhosis with ascites in adults and in an ascitic fluid examination, what neutrophil count is indicative of a bacterial infection? Number of cells.
More than 50% of the total.
Incorrect. Which one of these has the shortest incubation period? Malaria, typhoid or dengue?
Typhoid.
Incorrect. Sacroiliitis causing buttock pain is a mandatory feature to diagnose which rheumatological condition?
Ankylosing spondylitis.
That is correct. Rigors only on day 1 and rusty sputum are classical indication of pneumonia due to which organism?
Pneumococcal vaccine.
That is correct. Which disorder is characterized by widespread musculoskeletal pain with up to 9 pairs of specific tender points on the body?
Pass.
Timolol used for glaucoma can cause COPD. Name a drug used in COPD that can cause glaucoma.
Steroids.
Incorrect. Which complication of combination hormone pills for oral contraceptive which complication increases fourfold when used by women with migraine?
Liver disease.
Incorrect. Cetirizine is as useful in viral rhinitis as it is in allergic rhinitis. True or false?
True.
Incorrect. Past 12. Which disorder is characterized by widespread musculoskeletal pain with up to 9 pairs of specific tender points on the body?
Disorder. Leptospirosis.
Incorrect. Answer is fibromyalgia for that. And 6 is seronegative is rheumatoid factor. Is negative is seronegative. Small kidney stones are likely to be more painful, and 250 cells is an exact figure given for number of cells in an ascitic fluid to be bacterial. Dengue, of course, has the shortest incubation periods among the three. Fibromyalgia we have answered, and ipatropium can cause glaucoma or increase the glaucoma risk. And ischemic stroke risk increases fourfolds in women with migraine when they take combination hormone pills. What is the score? Last answer? Ischemic stroke. Ischemic stroke, the risk of getting an ischemic stroke on oral contrast combination hormone pills increases 4 times if the lady is suffering from migraine. So her total score is 13. Congratulations.